On our website, we have vast amount of tools and information that can help homeowners find what they're looking for so far as the efficiencies and understanding the efficiencies of equipment. We have a lot of information on the HVAC information out there regarding the nomenclature and definitions and terms that maybe a homeowner is looking for understanding a little bit better. We have the, let's say, the SEER rate calculator to help a homeowner understand energy savings on equipment. We have very easy ways to contact us on our website. If you have to send us a form, if you have to contact us for service, and very easy to schedule and do business with us. Give us a call at 610-873-1244, or you can reach us on the web at www.dibiasehvac.com.